Hey guys, I'm Allie and I'm the casting director at NGM Modeling. I thought I would share a few tips of what I'm looking for in our castings and when we have models out for auditions. So one of the first things that I look at is actually social media accounts. So one of the first things you should do before even submitting to an agency is to clean up your social media accounts. If you have things on there that are inappropriate or that may be borderline or don't have anything to do with modeling, it's important to clean those things off of your social media, or just have an account that's specifically for modeling, but make sure that your social media presence is clean, because agencies do have an image to maintain, and it becomes a part of us as well, whatever it is that you're portraying in your social media. Next thing, when you show up to an audition or to a casting with us, be sure to show up in all black clothing. That way it's easier to just kind of take account for each person kind of all the same, as opposed to, oh, this person was wearing a red shirt, or no, we're not looking for someone to stand out. We want you all to look the same so we can take into account some other things as well. The other thing you should do is, along with wearing your all black, is to bring some heels. Either wear them in or bring them with you, because this will be important when they ask you to walk or pose. We'll want to be able to see what you can do while you're wearing heels. Next important thing is to bring a comp card, and not just something that you printed off at home. It's so important to show us that you are taking modeling serious. Even if you don't have a ton of experience, it is important to seek somebody out or have a professional photographer make a comp card, a professional comp card for you, because that is going to make a difference for sure with us, is that we are looking for someone who is serious about what they're doing. When you show up with something you've printed off yourself at home, at Walmart, whatever, these are not going to be taken as seriously as someone who has taken the time and the money to purchase and to have professional comp cards. Also, you will want to be prepared to walk and pose. It is important for us to be able to see what you know. Again, you may come with very little experience, but take some time. You can watch some of our YouTube videos right here, and you could learn to do some walking and some posing. We're not going to have you do anything extensive, but it is important to be able to walk in those heels that you brought with you, and to be able to show us at least a few poses, and just be honest and say, hey, I don't have a ton of experience, this is what I know. Or if you do have experience, then this gives you the opportunity to show us exactly what you can do. The other thing is to come with neutral or light, very light makeup on. We don't want you to come with full makeup, full glam. Even if you're coming from another job or from another audition, we don't want you to come with we want to see what you actually look like. So we don't want you to come with all this makeup covering up your face. We want to see your actual face, because it will help us to see what projects we could use you for and those types of things. So be sure to come with some nice light neutral makeup on your face. Next important thing, I think, is not to compare yourself with others. Don't compare yourself with other models that you know are a part of an agency that you're auditioning for. Sometimes they'll come in and say, hey, I'm just like this person, or I'm not like this person. Just come in and be yourself, because a lot of times we're looking for people in several different areas of modeling, so not everyone that we sign is going to be exactly the same. So it's okay to just be who you are. Being on time is really important. Why? Because we have other things to do. We have very tight schedules, and we have very full schedules, and oftentimes on days when we're doing auditions, we have lots of models scheduled. If you're not on time, it's going to make it very difficult to be able to take the time to get to know you that we need, because we allot a certain amount of time for each model. So it will be very difficult to get to know each one. If you show up late, then we may not even have time to see you. So be sure that you're there early or right on time so that we're able to see you and give you plenty of time to be able to get to know you and you to get to know us. Next, you want to be prepared to answer questions about what type of modeling you've done and what type of modeling you want to do. So if you come with experience, it'll be good to be able, this is a great time for you to be able to share with us what types of projects you've done and have experience with. And there's also areas that maybe you would like to expand into. You can share a little bit about that with us, because that gives us the opportunity to be able to look for those particular opportunities for you. It's okay if you don't have experience. Some agencies would rather work with models that are new. So don't be afraid to still send in an audition, submit an audition for a time with an agency, because sometimes they are looking for brand new people. And people to be able to mold and to teach. So come in with the attitude of being teachable and being able to learn new things and being open to new challenges in that arena. So just keep kind of all of these things in mind. So that's kind of around 10 different things that we're looking for, that I'm looking for at different auditions. So just keep those in mind. We hope these tips were very helpful for you for your next audition, whether it's with us at NGM Modeling or with another agency. Be sure to keep these in mind, because most of the agencies do use this. So we hope you enjoyed this. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.